Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make real profit from woodworking, whether from home, a small workshop, or even a tiny space, this video is for you. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture decor and craft videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us to grow our channel and give you more content in return. Today, I'm breaking down the most profitable woodworking projects you can make and sell in 2025. These ideas are beginner-friendly, require minimal tools, and sell fast online and at local markets. Let's get started. First on the list, scrap wood home decor. Small decor items like candle holders, geometric wall art, mini plant stands, and rustic shelves cost almost nothing to make, especially if you use offcuts. These sell extremely well because they are trendy, affordable, and perfect for gift buyers. Next, custom name signs. These are high-demand products: weddings, birthdays, baby showers, housewarming gifts, you name it. Using a jigsaw, scroll saw, or CNC, you can create personalized signs with premium pricing. Many woodworkers earn $500 to $2,000 per month from signs alone. Cutting boards are classic and profitable. End grain, edge grain, or simple serving boards, people love them. Use hardwoods like walnut, maple, or cherry. Add juice grooves, handles, or custom engraving for higher profit margins. Floating shelves are small, lightweight, and easy to ship. They are top sellers in home decor because they are functional and stylish. You can sell single shelves or bundle sets for even bigger profits. Wood is a timeless material. But just like any interior design feature, it's been subject to various trends over the years, from painting to staining. However, if you're a fan of natural wood finishes, you're in luck. Natural wood finishes, by which we mean wood that isn't painted, stained, or engineered, are back in. That's all the permission you need to fill your home with wood furniture finds, from the rustic to the modern, the reclaimed to the upcycled. Natural wood finishes can work wonders in any home. So, whether you're keen to add character to a new build or you're on the hunt for furniture that will complement your period property's original features, look no further. Wood furniture will come to the rescue. Almost any type of wood could be used to build furniture, but some woods have always been favored for their beauty, durability, and workability. Before 1900, most furniture was made with these woods: walnut, oak, mahogany, rosewood, fruitwoods, and rarewood. Veneers and inlays were in common use. American colonial furniture, dependent on local availability, was made with maple, oak, walnut, birch, and cherry, as well as pine. The preferred furniture woods were readily available, so less attractive or durable woods were used only for hidden parts inside a piece. For this reason, pre-1900 furniture is almost always worth restoring, as these preferred woods have become scarcer and more expensive. Furniture has been made with more abundant woods. The traditional favorites have become rare. Today, most furniture is made with ash, pine, gum, and poplar, pine, fir, and other inexpensive woods are used for hidden parts. The rare woods are used only for very good furniture, and they are often used in combination with the less expensive woods. Being able to identify the type of wood used for your furniture can help you determine its real value. Wood furniture has its advantages and disadvantages. Timeless beauty. Wooden furniture has a timeless appeal that will never go out of style. Whatever may be the type of wood, each carries a special beauty in its own way. Its natural grains and warm tones provide a beautiful touch to any place. At Bosky Furniture, we handpick premium wood to ensure each piece of furniture exudes elegance and adds a touch of sophistication to your home interior. Long-lasting, durable. This is the biggest benefit of owning wooden furniture. A furniture piece made of quality wood is highly durable. Teak wood furniture in Kolkata is the most popular choice among homeowners in terms of durability. It can withstand everyday usage and wear if it is built with premium quality and excellent materials. Bosky Furniture's commitment to using superior wood guarantees that your investment lasts for decades, becoming a treasured heritage. Sustainable wood stands out as an exceptional sustainable choice, especially when sourced carefully. It is a renewable natural resource that is good for the environment. Do you know that trees, the source of wood, biodegrade naturally? Moreover, they serve an important role in absorbing damaging carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Any furniture made of wood has a lower environmental impact than other materials. That's why trees are called the best gifts of nature to humans. Wide range of options, from beds to dining tables, chairs, and cabinets. Hardwood furniture provides a wide range of options for furnishing every room in your home. You can easily find various designs and colors and even customize the furniture as per your choice. So, if you have decided to buy furniture for your home, simply explore the vast online catalog of Bosky Furniture to find the perfect piece for your home decor.